This isn't a real iPhone. This is not a real iPhone, y'all. And that's exactly what I thought. This is live, this is live, guys. Cause the young lady that gave me this, she really works hard. She really works hard. And I'm just upset. Just upset. I don't even know what's going on. But this isn't a real iPhone. And I'm just upset because she didn't turn it on. She didn't turn it on. She must have opened the box. To make sure the phone was in there, but did not turn the phone on. And as y'all saw, y'all see how it reads 512, but on a phone, it says 1 terabyte. Hold on, y'all. Like, this is not cool, man. And this is why I tell y'all to pay attention. This is why I tell y'all to pay attention. This is why I tell y'all to pay attention. I gotta take a break, y'all. Alright, I personally just sent the customer the email. I've been trying my hardest to get this off of this screen for a while, and it's just, I don't know how. I don't know how. But I tried to do the setup process, and there's no setup process here. I mean, it's just literally nothing. I really hope this person did not really buy this. I hope they're just getting me, but I doubt it. Also, you can see on the bottom of the screen isn't fully on. Y'all see this little black part? This is not an Apple screen. You can see because of the black, this is not a screen right here. Apple doesn't do that. Like, Apple doesn't make it black right here. So yeah, this sucks, man. And it even has a SIM card tray. And I hold all of this stuff I hold myself accountable for all of this stuff, because I don't want this stuff for you guys. Like, I don't want people to go through this type of stuff, you know? And like, this is not, I don't even know how to get to the part, y'all. I don't know. It's just, we gotta return it to her. But it has this, and maybe she saw this and she thought to herself that it was a real phone. I don't know. I'm very frustrated right now. This is why I tell y'all to turn the damn phones. I don't even feel like recording this anymore. It has a SIM card tray. I don't even think does the iPhone 16 have a SIM card tray. I don't even think they have a SIM card tray. No. Like, that's a clear indication it's fake there. And this is exactly what I was telling you guys. The person brought the phone but didn't do a whole check. They just, guys, I'm sorry. I just gotta collect my thoughts on this. I'm very frustrated. I want to talk to the person first. And I'll call y'all back. I'll get back. But if you learned anything from this video, please turn the phones on. Do the full startup process. It's just the full startup process. Don't just look at the hello, because it did have hello on it when I first turned it on. But now it's stuck on that. I don't know. This is a more in-depth look at the clone, guys. I really don't know what to say. This doesn't even, come on y'all, this doesn't even look real. Okay, so here's the phone, guys, and let's just go, make sure y'all go get y'all reps at wesply.com. But let's see exactly. So as you guys see, number one, you can easily tell this is a clone just by this. This is darker than what the real box would look like. It's pretty good as far as a copy, but you could tell the dark font is the difference, and it's probably a bit more. I just haven't really gotten to it all. Also, it's usually a barcode in this box somewhere on the corners, and there's no barcode. The charger, it seems to look pretty similar, but again, I don't buy the charger. The charger looks pretty good. I ain't gonna hate. This is the pamphlet it comes with. But again, y'all see with like reps like this, that comes with the same signage as the rep. Now let's see. This doesn't even look real at all. At all. Let's do United States. There you can do it. So like, as you guys see, it looks real, right? It's crazy. Look at it, like it looks real, but it's not. Written spoken language, you could just tell this is a rep, man. iMessage and FaceTime. Like, what? So let's see. Type in my pad. Like, what? This doesn't even look real. All right, at least it connects to Wi-Fi. Let's see. Let's set up. Wait. I'm gonna set up Face ID. Continue. They don't even let you set it up. Restore from iCloud. Oh snap! You can put your Apple ID in there. We'll see. Let's see. So it's really going through all of this stuff. It gives you all the prompts, but it doesn't let you do the customizations. All right, so let's see. This is what I wanted to see. So let's see, y'all. All right. Boom. Can we connect the iCloud to it? Let's see. This is not working. I want to try and connect the iCloud to it. Let's see. The touch on here is horrible. It won't let me do anything. These buttons don't work. Okay. Let's go. Let's go to. Don't even give you the message, y'all. Oh my goodness, y'all. What the heck? Okay. I don't even know. This won't even. Let me search. This is really pissing me off, y'all. This is really annoying me. I know I'm shaking around because I'm getting a little frustrated. This is really annoying. Can we do Face ID? Oh. So Face ID looks different. But let me try it. Let's see. Hold on. Look at how bad the camera is. So dark. But look like Face ID is, I guess, work. I don't even know at this point. I'm not even moving. I don't know. All right, it said it was set up. Let's see. It worked. Huh. This is interesting. This just isn't. Even the animations aren't the same. Let's say Apple Store. What the hell? This ain't the Apple Store. Let's see. Can you download Instagram on here? What the heck? Can't even download Instagram. Can you? Why is this so slow? It didn't take you to the menu. I don't know. I gotta do a full reveal, guys. Gotta get my setup and really do a reveal. Let's look at the camera. We already know the front camera sucks. Are you serious? This is not Apple's camera. Definitely not. Does it do slow-mo though? It's not even slow. Yeah, I'm done. It just has to mount. Let's see portrait. Let's see portrait, y'all. Let's see. There's no portrait. Oh yeah. This is crazy. Alright, I'm gonna do a full one, y'all, because you can see the Google Play Store right here too. Yeah, it's definitely a fake. I wanted to show you guys a little bit. I'm gonna do a full software walkthrough of this clone. I'm gonna figure out what's going on. But definitely make sure you guys are subscribing because we got some more things to do with this clone. But thank you guys so much for watching. I wanted to bring you guys this original reaction, but best believe I'm bringing more. It has a SIM card tray in it. Literally, we got to figure out if the SIM card works. I'm so curious right now. We'll see.